is Shower Gel's biggest fan. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a stuffed dog. First, we start with the body. See, you use this felt paper here, and you fold it, and then you crumble it to make the dog body. Step 2, add a tail. It works well if you put spit in it. Ta-da! Step 3, add a head. It works really well if you have a medium-sized paper like this. You crumble it up into a mini ball, add some spit, and it fits. Step 4, add ears. My favorite kind are the floppy ones. Now we have the perfect dog. Let's see the end product. After this lesson, you should have this beautiful pet stuffed dog with you. Look at this happy customer. She has a dog just like this at home. Thank you, Jesus' Shower Gel.